Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. In this afternoon, we can start our material about basic mobile programming. And before start our material, let me introduce myself. My name is Hafizh Khoirullah from class 5C in Source Basic Mobile Programming. And I am from University of Islam Riau. And I am a colleger and student in the Technic Faculty, and my major is Informatics Engineering. So, the start, let 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 me start our material. This is for material, and the first material is how to create a fake API in a local server and a JSON server installation. And then installation JSON server. After that, we can prepare or make UI components for CRUD process implementation. And this is the consist of CRUD implementation. Let's start our first material. The first material is we will discuss about create a fake API in the local server and JSON server installation. This is some reference website for we can meet or we can use a fake API or dummy API online. There is a website JSON placeholder, request.in, woki.io, fake store API, then dummy API.io. In this occasion, I just use two websites. There is JSON placeholder and request.in. So we can use this is a website. This is JSON placeholder, and this is request.in. Okay, before start the installation of JSON server, I will try to discuss about the main feature of from JSON server. Main feature of from JSON server is JSON server provide the JSON what we want. So we can provide JSON server what we want to use, and then we can operate HTTP method in our local host. What the HTTP method we can before this meeting, in the last meeting we use HTTP method too, like get, put, update, delete, post, and other. So after the introduction of JSON server, we go to installation JSON server. This is a command installation JSON server. We can meet this command in the JSON placeholder. This is transcript. No, great. Maybe. Okay, this is JSON server installation. No. Okay, this command we just copy this. After we copy this command, we go to or open the CMD atau CMD. This is we can take this command in other place. So I just in command. Start. Okay, this copy. Can this command. So that we can wait after install. If you want to wait, you can skip this installation. Okay, after little time again. Okay, this is installed. So after we install the JSON server, we can prepare or make JSON database in our machine. In the meaning is our machine is our text editor. In this occasion, I usually again I use the text editor Visual Studio Code. So this is JSON, DB JSON. What I make before yesterday, I use this my name, and this is a 2 ID I make. But before it's just 1 ID. I add ID number 2 is in the later. So after we make the DB JSON in our machine, we go to running JSON server, the server of JSON server, watch DB JSON port. This number of port we can okay, we can this this is okay, this is we can running JSON server in the CMD. We just copy, but maybe I just copy in there. Yes, this is a copy. So oops, okay, we can just we can running again. Okay, this okay, finally I think this success. Yes, hi. So we go to use the postman again. If we this send this again with method get. Oh, from this one again. Okay, I'm sorry about the trouble. So we go to again in the JSON server. We click or copy the command again. After this, we running in the CMD. This. This is a number port. 3004 is the number port of our JSON server. We copy. So after this, the running. Okay, this is finally we can find our resource in the localhost number 3004 in the method in the component users. So we can go to the postman. This is we go again. Maybe this our pass. Let in this we can the method use the method get. After that we send. So let we see. And this is finally we can see the DB-JSON in the postman. This is our JSON less in the our text editor in the Visual Studio Code. This is number ID 1, this is number ID 2. So finally after some trouble we can take or we can try the method get. This is the method get. So next we can go to the method update with method in the CRUD update with the method put. Or maybe we can get to the post. Yeah. I think the method post is the different from the method get. This is the we can use the body. After that we can click raw. This text we can choose the JSON. So this is in this text editor we can make what JSON or what the body we write. So next we go to the method put. Okay. Okay guys, we go to the method put or create in the update, how to update the JSON. So we can update the JSON if we go to the, if we choose the picture of the avatar. The example is like this, Mamang Imron. We can choose, we can update the name, full name, or the email, or the prophecy. If we update the prophecy, maybe we make the backend developer. We choose the backend developer. After this, maybe this is the save button is changed from save to the update. After the update, so this the Mamang Imron, the prophecy is changed from ahli IT to the backend developer. Then after we update the data, the button is changed from update to save or simpan. So next we go to the delete method delete. Okay, this is, we can go to the delete. This is the coding from our HPPP method with Axios. This is a put, update, this is get data, and the other method. So we back again. If we want to delete, we can use the button X or button cross, red colors in the on the right. But maybe we go to the create a data before, maybe Bayu Irawan, maybe emailnya bayu@gmail.com, and there is programmer. Then we save. Guys, we save. If we look around or look again in the DB.json, this is Bayu Irawan. This the Bayu Irawan is ID number 3 in the users. If we want to delete the Bayu Irawan, we can go to the X cross in the on the right. We just click the X. There is a pop-up. The pop-up is a caution of, are you sure about we want to delete this user? We can choose. If we yes, there is the user, will delete. If we no, the users is cannot be delete. So we can choose the yes option. So the user is delete. And the DB.json look like ID number 3 Bayu Irawan is delete from DB.json. And then in the UI, Bayu Irawan is delete. Okay, So I think there is our materi in today. There is the final materi is CRUD implementation. We just finished the materi in today, so before closing the materi, I will say thank you for the attention of friends and teachers who watch this video. So I hope the benefit this video can reach of all. So, and I'm sorry if my explanation or our language English is very many less, very many less more, and then I say thank you. I hope we can see again in the next meeting.